Just a little trick I learned off a video on intake manifold installations. And it's a good one, you know, when you're dropping down, you know, these gaskets like to slip, cause all sorts of trouble. So the little thing they said is you just get some longer bolts, same thread as your heads, and I rounded off the top, cut in the slot. I only did 2. You can do 4 if you want. One in the back corner, one in the front corner. And you just screw them in a bit. And now you have guides where you can drop your intake manifold straight on and it's aligned. And that way you're not getting the manifold cocked in there, and it's on there straight, so you have a better chance of everything sealing and everything being square. So I thought that was a pretty good little idea, so I'm sharing it.